Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to unlock the secrets of total productive maintenance, or TPM. This video will give you an in-depth understanding of how TPM can help maximize equipment effectiveness and boost overall productivity in your maintenance and operations teams. We will also look at its top 4 benefits, decipher the TPM workflow, and unveil its 8 essential pillars. Finally, we'll round off with a real-life application of TPM in a major Latin American brewer. So sit tight and join me on this insightful journey into the world of TPM. Let's dive into the world of total productive maintenance, or as we'll refer to it, TPM. This is all about maximizing equipment effectiveness through the active involvement of all supporting departments. The ultimate goal? To boost overall productivity by optimizing equipment availability. Now, you might be wondering, how does total productive maintenance actually work? Well, it's all about striving for that elusive perfect production. This can be a challenge as unexpected problems can pop up even in the best planned facilities. But with TPM, we can get as close as possible to this ideal. It frames maintenance as a business advantage. No downtime, no equipment failure, just pure production and profit. Plus, it's built on the 5S methodology, which helps organize and standardize facility procedures, leading to many benefits for both production and workplace quality. Let's talk about 4 of the most prominent benefits of total productive maintenance. Firstly, it leads to less unplanned maintenance. With carefully planned and scheduled maintenance, equipment is extremely well maintained. Plus, TPM empowers all plant personnel to take ownership of their machines, turning maintenance into a positive investment. Secondly, it reduces equipment downtime. More planned maintenance means fewer failures, and by implementing proactive maintenance activities, downtime events are minimized. Thirdly, it lowers manufacturing costs. As overall equipment efficiency increases, production costs are also minimized. Higher productivity leads to higher profits and reduced spending on equipment stoppage time and repairs. Finally, it strengthens workplace safety. Because TPM is built on the 5S foundation, the workplace is systematically organized and cleaned. The steps in the 5S method, sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain, uncover underlying problems and challenges to maintaining the work environment. Now let's take a moment to understand the TPM workflow. It's an innovative concept in the manufacturing industry that evolved from preventive maintenance to adopt practices of productive maintenance, maintenance prevention, and reliability engineering. The developments in TPM were first seen in Japan. Toyota was one of the first companies to receive TPM certification. The philosophy behind TPM was pivotal in achieving Toyota's just-in-time level of service and reliability in their production facilities. Let's break down the 8 pillars of total productive maintenance. Pillar 1 is the 5S: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. This workplace organization method is simplified into 5 basic steps, providing a systematic approach to cleaning the workplace, thereby uncovering underlying problems and challenges. Pillar 2 is autonomous maintenance. Maintenance tasks and caring for equipment should start with the people using the equipment. Pillar 3 is continuous improvement. Also known as the Japanese term Kaizen, continuous improvement promotes the attitude of progressing toward 0 losses and 0 defects. Pillar 4 is planned maintenance. Planned maintenance activities are essential to the prevention of equipment breakdown. Pillar 5 is quality maintenance. To ensure the satisfaction of the customer, manufacturing processes aim for 0 defect production. Pillar 6 is training. Proper training is required to equip each one with the theoretical and practical know-how of working with machines and equipment. Pillar 7 is office TPM. The management and administrative functions are also subject to productivity improvement. And finally, Pillar 8 focuses on safety, health, and environment. The essence of this pillar is realized when actively applied to each of the other pillars. Let's look at a real-life example of total productive maintenance in action. The principles of TPM, born in Japan in the 1970s, are alive and thriving in one of the largest beer brewers in Latin America, Cerveceria Cuauhtémoc Moctezuma, or CCM. Plant maintenance manager Manuel Sanchez says, "It means we are all responsible for guaranteeing the total effectiveness of the equipment. Maintenance, production, top management, human resources, everyone." In conclusion, total productive maintenance further develops the ideas of maintenance and preventive maintenance by involving all departments and people within an organization. With an organization-wide mindset focused on taking responsibility for the machines and equipment, increasing overall performance is achievable even with a limited number of resources. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of total productive maintenance. We've explored its benefits, workflow, and the 8 essential pillars that make it a game changer in the maintenance and operations industry. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in all you do.